Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in the subscription box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's see what we have. Am I going to be able to open this one? No, it's knotted again. Okay, so I have a knife here. Let's just cut the string. Let's see. So here is a piece of paper, and I always say this, but in case you're new to the video, there's a piece of paper here that has a link to a video tutorial or PDF, because I do both sometimes, showing how to make the projects in the box. And the instructions are extremely easy to follow. I haven't had any trouble learning how to make the pieces in the box. Alright, so here is what we got. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are so pretty. I have these in my stash in pink. They're really gorgeous. I love this shape. This orange is amazing. Those are beautiful. Okay, so I already love those beads. What else are we gonna have? Let's see. Oh my gosh, in green. Okay. My birthstone color is green. I'm an August baby. So, I do like this color. This is that chartreuse green. I really like chartreuse. That is so pretty. And look at the blue. I noticed that with the green Picasso, because that's what this is, there's a lot of blue and purple whenever there's Picasso finish on this color. Do you see the purple, the blues? Isn't that pretty? Like when the red Picasso, the red beads have the Picasso finish on them, I don't really see purple, but with green it pops out purple. Oops, I forgot one. Okay, so there's 6 of these and there's 6 of those. And then we have some ball head pins. There's a lot in here, so that's exciting. There's going to be a lot of connections then, is what I'm thinking. Okay, this is bead string wire, and this looks short, so that will probably be a bracelet, because usually it's a very long piece and you cut it. What I do, it's usually a necklace and a bracelet project, so what I do is I do the necklace first. That's what is in the video usually. I do the necklace, but I don't cut the string until I have my necklace length done, and then I just clip the end of my string with those clamps. I said clip like a cut, but I meant I put a clamp. I clip the clamp onto the end of the string, and then I just string the bracelet. And then once I have all of it strung on, I just cut the bead string wire so that I have enough on each side. I don't like cutting it prematurely because I don't want to make sure I can finish the piece. And then we have split rings. These are 8mm. There's 2 of them. This stuff is so messy. Those are large. This is usually for the closure. I like that they put split rings in the closure. And then we have some jump rings, oval jump rings, which are the best because it's oval. The clasp will be on one side, the chain, whatever beads, will be on the other side, and that means it won't slip through the hole because it's an oval shape. So those are great. Oh, these are gorgeous. I kind of have this color, but mine's a little bit more yellow and green, if that makes sense. This here bead, this is a 4mm check fire polish bead, but you know, beads, you get them, they're all made at different times, so they don't always turn out the same. But the one that I have is a yellow bead that has a green webbing on it. This one is a little more muted. Mine really stands out. And we have 3mm silver spacer beads. And then table cut. These are orange Picasso. Don't know what this shape would be called, but I know it's a table cut bead. These here are also table cut, by the way. And I do wonder what those would look like if they weren't cut. So see, both sides. I think these look like the Tagua nuts, which I've always wanted them, but I don't think they sell them anymore. I don't know. This one here, though, I have to point out. See this bead right there? That is not table cut. That one actually has a hole in it. it's defective. But if this wasn't table cut, this would probably be all raised here. You would not see the orange. So there is this one check bead that is a Hawaiian flower. I have always got it table cut, but just recently I've been finding the same bead that's not table cut. It's the same flower, not table cut, and it looks so cool either way. I like it both ways. Okay, so there's 2 clasps here. That means we're going to have a bracelet and a necklace. And these connector things, I love these. They're not jump rings. Well, I guess they could be jump rings, but they don't have an opening. They're soldered shut. It's one piece. I like these. I like doing brick stitch on stuff like that. Okay, what's this? Crimp beads. There's 2 of those. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This beige color. I have like a handful of this Picasso travertine beige color in my bead stash. These are pretty. I like those. They're kind of alien like. Oh, there was another one that wasn't table cut. 2 actually, 3. That's strange. It's okay though, I don't mind. Sometimes I feel like the imperfections of something is what really makes it beautiful. These are cool. I think this shape is called horsehair, but maybe that is just the site that I shop on that calls it this. I would have to research. I call it rice shaped. And I wonder if before this bead is table cut, is it totally round? I wonder what shape that is. So this is kind of a strange mixture of stuff here. There's 3 different kinds of square beads. I'm really wondering what this project is going to be. Is there any more small beads? There's this one in green. There's 6 of those. There's 2 of those. There's no chain. I have no idea what this piece is going to be like. Oh, look again. That purplish blue color. So pretty. Wait, is this the chain? Okay, we have chain. Now this is starting to make more sense, because I was wondering how do we have these beads? There's not a lot of like filler beads. These here would be the filler beads. These are more like the focal beads, right? But I was just wondering, we have all these eye pins. How is this going to work? Because like there's a loop on this side, you put the bead on. What's the other side going to connect to? I don't know. I just thought this is kind of going to be a strange design. Usually I'm pretty good at guessing what it's going to be. So we have a curb chain here, and this is a pretty long piece. This is very long. I think it's over 2 feet long. Pretty long. Okay, and it looks like the links are soldered, which is awesome, so I will have to cut this chain in order to open it. So that's cool. I am dying to see what this is going to be, because I think that the pieces, like, I love these beads to death. These colors are so gorgeous. I would totally buy these in a heartbeat. This is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.